So we've got some very interesting things to show you on PDP. Firstly, we've rebranded it, so we have a new logo. And also we've launched a new website as well, which is available from now, which is pdpdrums.com. So we have a new finish on our classic drums. These are our wood hoop drums, which we launched a couple of years ago. This is available now in an ebony stain, and on our concept drums we have our tobacco burst and charcoal burst as well. So we have a limited edition kit, which is based on the Ford GT Golf supercar. Okay, so this is a limited edition kit for 2018 in those Ford GT Golf colours. We have shorter tom sizes, so this is 10.7, 12.8 with a 16.14 and a matching 14 by 5.5 snare drum. And then moving on, we have some very cool signature snare drums that I want to show you. Firstly, this is the Eric Hernandez signature snare drum. These are piccolo sizes, so 4 by 14 and 4 by 13. This is a gold-plated hardware, 7-ply poplar shell with his logo. So he plays for Bruno Mars. The second snare drum isn't here because he's using it at the Grammys next week. So he really is using his drum. And we're very excited to announce the launch of the Chad Smith signature snare drums as well. This is a seamless acrylic shell. It comes in 3 sizes, the 6 by 12, the 7 by 13, and the 6.5 by 14. So you'll see we've got the Red Hot Chili Peppers logo, and it's signed by Chad Smith. And he's actually using the 7 by 13 as a effect snare drum on his kit. And then finally we have a limited edition PDP snare drum. This is a 20-ply maple walnut drum. So if you look underneath, it's a very, very, very thick shell. So this would be very loud, give you a real punch. It's an outer of walnut and inner plies of maple. This is available in 4 sizes, 6.5 by 14, 8 by 14, 7 by 13 and a 14 by 5.